Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. In this era of technology, we couldn't possibly stray away from using one. Technology has contributed a lot in making sure that human beings are able to do their daily life more easily. Today, in our project, we focus on technology in transportation.
Our group has chosen the ESTA robot in Incheon Airport to be our establishment that renders new technologies in their facilities. The company representative that we are interviewing an officer that has served LG company for years in the Department of Research. This interview will be held according to 5 aspects, which are the ESTA robot background, the ESTA robot advantages and efficiency, disadvantages of the robot, future improvement on the robot, and the impact of the ESTA robot.
Hello, good morning. First of all, I want to thank you for your agreement to have a virtual interview meeting with us through Zoom today. We are ILUM students. We are here to interview you about the technology of transportation, which is the ESTA robot in Incheon Airport.
Hi, good morning. I'm Mr. Lee, the company representative and officer that has served LG company for years in the Department of Research. Today, I will be the one answering the question regarding our LG company and ESTA robot invention.
Due to the pandemic situation, ESTA robots have become more well-known and relevant to be used in the airport because of it can reduce the pandemic risk. So can you tell us about the background of the very well-known ESTA robot and what it is specialty actually?
ESTA is a second-generation robot created after being upgraded from the first version released in 2017. The technology used on this robot is very sophisticated as ESTA, a multifunctional robot use self-driving voice recorder and artificial intelligence. The ESTA measures 160 cm and weight 135 kg, which make it stable when moving anywhere. It can speak in 4 languages such as English, Korean, Japanese, and Chinese, and has 14 different emotions. It also provides information or indicates the location searched within the airport. More interestingly, we can take a selfie using the camera available on the robot and see the picture through ESTA screen, where it will be sent to the email, Facebook, or SMS provided.
So, to proceed with the interview, can you tell us more about the ESTA robot outstanding advantages and the efficiency?
The first outstanding advantage is ESTA robot could guide traveler by navigating them to the headed area. ESTA robot is an outstanding sophisticated innovation where it is equipped with an advanced artificial intelligence technology. It could assist the traveler to the check-in counter or any specific direction such as duty-free area, departure hall, or arrival hall. ESTA will escort the passenger by moving 1 meter per second at the common pace speed of pedestrian. ESTA robot also gave recognition to Incheon Airport. Incheon International Airport is known as one of the world's best airports rated by the traveler, and of the main reason is its highly developed technology which refer to ESTA. It is also well known as Smart Airport. ESTA robot able to communicate many languages and have various emotions. This robot can speak 4 different languages including Korean, Chinese, English, and Japanese.
Next, I want to ask about current disadvantages and the ESTA robot weaknesses.
First disadvantage is the limited time constraint. ESTA robot usage is limited to a certain period of usage and the robot need to be charged as they are electrically powered robot. Next, ESTA robot cannot ingratiate the first class passenger. The high value passenger might not like to be entertained by a robot because it can fulfill their subjective needs. Even though ESTA are systematized to express 14 different emotions, it is lack of empathy where it could not recognize the individual's feelings or show its sympathy, and unable to express compassion, and this one big disadvantage of having an emotionless workplace. There is also less human labor. ESTA robot was designed to mingle and to blend with humans, but they are also expected to take human position in customer service units.
Is there any improvement in the future for ESTA robot?
Of course, we believe the disadvantage are the door to change and innovation weakness and risk into opportunities if it's handled and managed properly.
Can you explain more of the possible improvement that you mentioned earlier?
First innovation idea is to improve the limited time constraint on the robot by adding up this environmentally friendly feature that can help save energy. LG is known for its saving energy items and lower the overall long-term cost at the same time. As the robot need to be charged frequently and disturb the use of it, we can use solar energy to run the robot instead. This way we can save time as the robot will automatically be charged using the solar power. This can increase robot efficiency. Robot can attend the first class passenger and still maintain to secure the professional human labor service. Other than that, we can add more wonderful feature in terms of additional language, more emotion, and more wonderful function. We can also increasing trained and skillful labor that can assist the robot from time to time.
Okay, Mr. Lee, for the last question, can you share the overall impact of effective use of Star Robot in the Incheon Airport?
Star Robot impact positively by helping the people or traveler who face difficulties in finding direction, checking the boarding time, or taking the photo at Incheon Airport. Despite the large airport, people will not get lost easily. The robot is very useful and convenient. It gives useful information in real time, such as congestion status at the departure halls. It is really helpful as others can get the info real quick without wasting time to ask the airport staff. The robot also makes users and people happy and excited, as they are allowed to take photos using AirStar. People found it beneficial as people do not have to ask and bother other people to take their photo as the memory at Incheon Airport. The photo can be easily transmitted to people's email account or phone device as text message. The 4 languages provided were also useful to each people.
Alright, unfortunately, that's all the time we have. It was such a pleasure interviewing you, Mr. Lee. Thanks for making the time. We gained a lot of information today.